Welcome to Unit Network. Create a new email and password for your account. If you've forgotten your email and password but still have access to your account using your passphrase, you can create a new login method. This guide walks you through the secure, step-by-step process of adding a new email and password, giving you more flexibility and access options. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in using your passphrase. Start by logging in with your passphrase. This ensures access even if you've forgotten your previous login credentials. Step 2. Access credential settings. Go to Profile Settings. Click Edit Profile. Select Wallet. Choose Credentials. Need help navigating? Visit the Profile Settings page on our website for step-by-step visuals. Step 3. Create new login credentials. On the Credentials page, enter a new email address. Choose a new password. Set a PIN for added protection. Please note, this does not replace your original credentials. It creates an additional way to log in. Step 4. Confirm and save. After entering your new login information, click Confirm. Make sure to save your new credentials securely. Unit Network does not store your credentials for security reasons. Please keep a safe backup. You've successfully added a new login method. From now on, you can log in using either your passphrase or your new email and password combination, enhancing both your flexibility and security.